dagat pa. Mas mahaba pa yung anak mo sa'yo, Marco.
Dapat bili ka ng camera.
Gusto ko ng tripod para pwede itong
Cargo daddy. Ba't mo ako binibigyan?
dali
Kasi maganda ako.
syempre
Or ano pang dahilan kung bakit mo ako binibigyan?
we're creating memories, sabi mo.
So,
Bakit kita yung dede mo?
Excuse me?
Si mami kita, oh, tingnan mo.
What did you say?
Maliit daw dede mo. Tapos naka-video.
Sabi,
Stop it, Daddy. That's me. Mami, stop it.
Hello, ka.
ay,
Andrew. Oh, pretty.
Ano tayo?
Jamboree. Ano pala ng jamboree?
JAM.
J-A-M-B-O-R.
Jamboree. Jamboree.
After all, you know, I don't really want to Today is 28 September 2024. 2024. I'm 11 years old. Daddy is I won't tell it. Mommy is I won't tell it again. 13.
Bonsai, oh.
Don't dox there, Daddy. No, stop. Don't dox there. Stop. Daddy, nakakahiya.
Ayun, may dump truck.
Don't dox there. Don't dox their address, Daddy.
This is
Don't dox
our
neighborhood.
neighborhood in Indonesia. Serpong.
Ouch!
Tin, bilis!
Daddy, ba't mo ako lang?
Hindi pwedeng sagutin sa video.
Sige na. Isang dahilan na ba't mo ako lang?
Kasi bumis-mis ka. Lagi kang masaya.
Bakit mo love yung babae niya na nasa harap mo, Daddy? Okay. Ba't mo love yung babae?
Dati dito kami nakatira. Diyan sa area.
For how long, Daddy?
From,
2 houses.
from 2013 to 2018.
Oh, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 5 then. 5 years.
Ito, malaking bahay dito. Walang nakatira.
Empty. Extra house. Doon nila yung mansyon.
Dito ang clubhouse. Ano, alay na ako ah.
Very hungry.
Hindi. yun? Ano yung problema? Ha? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ito ang clubhouse. Ang tawag sa clubhouse ay Colosseum. Oh, parang mayroong nangyayari. Nagmamadali sila. Ano meron? Anong problema?
Wala siguro.
Eh bakit may mga nagmamadali doon? Tingnan natin. Mukhang may na-stroke. Eh, nakaupo sa sahig na malaki. Malaki na. Hindi, nadulas. Hindi ko lang alam. Oo. Malayo ako, hindi kita. So, ito na ang neighborhood na. Meron kang makikita Hyundai na electric car sa kanan. May Mercedes-Benz na luna. May BMW, dalawa yan. Isang orange at saka isang puti. At marami kang iba-ibang kotse. At ito si Miss Christine. Ayan ang dating bahay namin. May iba na nakatira ngayon.
Year lang ba tayo dyan?
Oo, isang taon. Tapos, ito na ang neighborhood. Who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day. Who are the people in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Who are the people in your neighborhood? The people that you meet each day. Kantatin. There are no people in my neighborhood. In my neighborhood. In your neighborhood. There are no people in my neighborhood. Because I have no house. Oh.
So
Yes, ito may
times
sports car.
Daddy, you look so bright, Miss Christine. You're shining like shining.
Ayan ang shining red. Yan, may kapitbahay kami, may Mercedes-Benz. Ito ang bahay namin. Ayan ang bike. Tan tan Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Ellie. Say hi. Si Peppa Pig. Say hi, Ellie. Hey, hi. Ito ang kusina namin. Ayan si Mama Del.
Pork is the best. Dumating na? Dumating naman?
Ito ako. The people that you meet each day.
Ato, balik yati kayo uniform niya. Ayos?